Hello friends, in this video we will set up Eclipse IDE to write Java programs in Windows. So let us see the overview of video. First we will download and install Java JDK that will help us run, compile and debug the Java programs. Then we will download and install the Eclipse IDE to write the Java programs, and after completing both these tasks we will write a Java program. Let us download the JDK. So open the browser and type JDK download. So here you will get a official link from the Oracle. So in this we have the newer versions, Java 18, 19 and 17. These are the new versions. If you want the older versions, you can go down here, and Java 8 and 11 are available. So for the older versions, it will ask you to log in. So after you log in, after you create the account and log in, then only it will download these versions. So we will go with the newer versions. In that we will download the Java 17. So it is given for all the three machines. So we will go with Windows, and we will download this installer here, exe file. Just click on this and you can see the download is started. It will take some time. Here you can see that the JDK is downloaded, and we have a exe file here in the download section of this PC. You need to double click on this and give the permission. Now you can see the installation has started, so we need to click next. Here you can change the directory, so I want to change this, so click on this and go outside this. In the C drive, I want a folder called Java. Now sorry inside the Java, I need a folder JDK17, because this is Java 17. So inside this I want this to be installed, so click on OK. So here you can see in the C drive, the Java folder in JDK17 folder. So click on next, and the installation process has been started. Wait for some time. So you can see here we got a message that the JDK is successfully installed. So close this and let's go to the place where we have installed this. So in the C drive, in the Java folder I have created, inside this folder, inside the JDK17 folder, we have our JDK installed. I have installed this JDK here by creating a Java folder out in the C drive, because to keep track of the JDKs. So you can even choose to install the JDK by with the given default path. So that will be installed inside this programming files, and here there will be a Java folder. Inside that JDK will be installed. So I have created here, because if we download other versions of Java, then you can uh, install that here and keep track of that. Now the JDK is installed, so let us see the version of this JDK through command prompt to confirm that it is installed and working properly. So in this Windows, you just need to write command prompt cmd, open this and write Java. So we are getting an error here that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So you need to add the environment system and path of this JDK in system environment variable to point out that JDK is here and the bin folder is here. Now let us set the environment variables. So in this Windows prompt, you need to write env. So we will get this, edit the system environment variables. Just need to type this and we'll get a suggestion. Click on this. Here you need to click on environment variables, and in this user variables you need to click on new, and here you need to give the name, variable name. So let us give java underscore home. In this variable, in this value you need to give the path of the jdk installed. So we'll give this path where the jdk is installed. Copy this, and in the environment variables here you need to paste this path. Click on OK, and you can see we got the java home here. Now in this path you need to give the uh, path to this bin folder here, jdk bin folder. So copy this path, and here you need to create a new and paste the path. So we have given the path of the bin here, and click on OK. Now again click on OK, and let us see that the java, the environment variables are set or not. So when previously we have written the java, it was not recognizing. So let us write it again after setting the path. Let's write here java. Okay, so you need to open the new command prompt here. So open cmd, you can say the new command prompt you need to write the java. So you can see we got the suggestions, different commands we can write. So you can see here, after setting the, after we have set the environment variables, java is recognized, the java keyword is recognized. Now let us write java version. So you can see we got 17 version that we have installed. Now the java jdk 17 version is installed, and we will download Eclipse IDE and then write the java program. So let us go to the browser and download Eclipse IDE. Now here in the browser you need to write Eclipse IDE download, or we can say Eclipse download. You will get the first link to eclipse.org website. So click on this, and here we'll get the Eclipse IDE 2022 12 version. So here we have a download button. Click on that, and again here from here we can download the installer. So click on this, and you can see that the Eclipse IDE installer download has been started. It will take some time. The download of Eclipse IDE installer has been completed. So let us go to the directory where this is downloaded. Now you can see that the installer, Eclipse installer, is downloaded in the download section. You need to double click on that installer. Here we'll get this prompt, Eclipse installer. Here you have different Eclipse IDE for different languages, like Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java development, C, C++, PHP developers. But we want this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we'll click here, and it is saying which Java version you should use. So from here you can either give your local where JDK is installed. So that we have installed in C, Java, and C. Inside the Java folder we have JDK17, or else you can download it from this website. So we will go with the version we have downloaded. So then it is asking the installation path for this Eclipse IDE. So this is the default path, and you can change it from here, but I will keep it default. I will go with the default one, and let us click on install. So installation process has been started, and it will take some time. So you can see that installation completed successfully here. So from here you can directly launch the application. So let us launch it, and the Eclipse IDE 2022-12 for Java developers is downloaded and installed successfully. So let us see the interface of this. First, the it will ask for the workspace you want to create. So this is the workspace, but I want to change the workspace. Or if you want this workspace only, you can continue with this. So I will change it to the work, this Eclipse workspace. I want this folder. So I want my workspace to be created in this folder. So wherever you want to create the Eclipse workspace, just browse from here and view the location, or else you can go with the default one also, and then launch the Eclipse IDE. So the Eclipse IDE will be launched in that workspace, and we can write a bunch of Java projects in that workspace. So all that projects will be managed in a particular workspace. Now, whenever you open the Eclipse IDE, first you will get this interface. So here we have different things like create a new Java project, demo. Different things are present, the sample programs. But let us close this and see the interface. Now here you can see on the left side we have the package explorer. In this we can create different Java projects and manage from here. Then here we'll get the errors if there is any in the program or in a project. Then here we'll get the outline, like in which project we are working on and what are the classes and methods in a particular project. Now let us create a Java project and write the hello world program in that. So you should create you should click on this create a Java project, and we'll get this prompt. In this we need to give the project name. So first Java app. Here you can choose the default location, the workspace location, or you can change the location also, and you can browse through this button and give the location where you want to create this project. But I want to create this project in this workspace only, because I want to manage that in this workspace. Then we have the GRE version. Here it is saying the Java Standard Edition 17 that we have downloaded and installed. So let us click on next, and you can see we got the structure of this Java project, and click on finish. So on the left side you can see that we got this first Java app project, Inside that we have the source directory. Now here in the source folder we'll create a Java class. So in Java class you need to give the information of the package name, the access modifier, and different things. So first we'll give the package name. Now package is something where you keep the similar classes together. Now, we'll discuss about packages in further videos, but just let us write the package name com.testing. So package name should be in lowercase, and the word should be separated with the period dot, and then the class name, let us give the class name hello world. So the class name is like camel case. The first letter should be uppercase. So here you can see H and W are in the uppercase. Then here are the modifiers that you want to give this to the class, public, abstract, and all that. After that, you can also give the super class from here, and you can create the main method in this class. To create that, you just need to click on this checkbox, but we'll create that manually. So click on finish, and you can see that we got the class hello world.java inside this package com.testing. So we have class here. Now let us write the main method. So we can write main method by the suggestion also. So here you can see Eclipse IDE uses the suggestion main, or else you can manually type public static void main string args. So here we have created the main method. You can create this manually or by the or by suggestion given in the Eclipse IDE. It is recommended to create manually because if you are at the beginning stage, you can be used to write the syntax of the main method. Now the Java program starts from the main method, so whatever the execution in the Java program will be starting from the main method. So in this we want to print hello world. To print something in Java we write system, the S capital in system, out dot print, print to print on the same line, and print ln on the new line. We have print ln also in Java, but we'll just print, and inside the double quote we'll write hello world. Whatever you write inside this double quote, it will be printed in the console. So save this program, and you can run this program from here, the toolbar also, and you can directly click right click on the class where the main method is located and run as Java application. So you can see that we got hello world in the console. This is how we write the program and the print statement. In the next video, we'll discuss all the terminologies present in this program.